Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. Today's miter saws are a significant improvement over the manual miter boxes of the 1960s. For anyone who does any type of carpentry work, a miter saw usually becomes essential. Mitering is the process of fitting two boards together at an angle, and with trim work requiring so many of these cuts, miter saws are sometimes called trim saws. Still, they're invaluable for making other types of crosscuts as well, such as end cuts on hardwood flooring strips or angle cuts on roof rafters. My very first sliding compound miter saw was both the best investment I've ever made, and yet the scariest one I've ever made.
Number 3. Delta 26 to 2241 compound sliding miter saw.
The Delta 26 to 2241 single bevel compound miter saw is another option from a trusted manufacturer. It offers a mix of durability and power, and is a good choice for both professionals and hobbyists alike. This saw has a 15-amp motor that can deliver up to 4,000 RPMs. There is also an adjustable miter detent plate made from stainless steel for added durability. It comes with 14 positive stops, which you can override and then adjust to whatever setting you prefer. This miter saw has a crosscut capacity of up to 2 by 8 inches at 90 degrees. With an increased crown capacity of 45 degrees, it goes up to 7.5 inches.
Number 2. MAKITA LS1019L sliding compound miter saw.
The MAKITA LS1019L sliding compound miter saw is on our list because it comes from one of the largest power tool lines on the market. MAKITA is very well known for delivering quality tools and accessories. This model is one of the options best suited for do-it-yourselfers or hobbyists. That's because many of the features are more suited to newer users rather than professionals. The LS1019L is a 10-inch miter saw as opposed to the more popular 12-inch variation. Nonetheless, it does really rival the larger option when it comes to actual cutting capacity, and has a relatively tall fence for a 10-inch miter saw.
Number 1. Bosch Power Tools GCM12 SD sliding glide miter saw.
The Bosch GCM12 SD sliding glide miter saw offers a unique design. What's more, it comes from a trusted name in power tool design and manufacturing. The first noticeable thing about this saw is that the design isn't all that traditional. It resembles a transformer more than the saws you are likely to have seen or used in the past. The glide system is a design in a class that is all on its own. This saw is a bit heavy, weighing in at 88 pounds, though with that weight usually comes a high degree of durability. The base is very stable, making it resistant to any tipping and preventing damage to your materials.
You are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.